children, welcome to mathematics class. Today we will study chapter 2 long and short of page number 13. What do you mean by long and short? Look at the board. I am drawing a line A. This line name is A. Another line here drawing, this one B. And which line is tall? Which line is long and which line is short? Then here A line is long, so line A is long line. And which line is short? So line B is short line. Now students, open your book, page number 13. See, there are many dots given with alphabets A to O. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A to O. Given so many the alphabets. Then see, A, B, C, D, A to 0, O alphabets given. You have to measure A to B, A to C, A to D, and A to E, and A to F, A to G, like that way, up to A to O. Then find the distance between them. You need ruler. Ruler means scale. Have you got scale? Yes. So you measure the alphabets of A to B. First, what is the distance between A to B? You take your scale, small scale is there, no? You take and you measure A to B. The dots A you will keep here first line, and D, B, see here what is the distance between the two. Then this is 3 centimeter. How much? The distance between A to B. The distance between A to B is how much? 3 centimeter. Then another, that is A to C. It is A and it is C. Then you will measure the two dots A and C. It is how much is there? This is 3.1. That is the distance between A to C, that is 3.1 centimeter. Then the distance between A to D, how much is there? Again you see, where is A is here and D is here. These 2 points you will measure. So how much is there? That is 4.5. The distance between A to D is 4.5. Now I will give one example. Suppose a person X is standing here. A person X is standing here, and another person, that is Y, is standing here. And now measure the distance between X and Y. What is the distance between this? This is blackboard of our class, our school. So I am using big scale. When you draw the line segment on your notes, then you will use this small scale only. Now I am taking big scale to measure X and between the X and Y. See, this is the X point and this is the Y point. What is the distance between that? It is 23 centimeter. The distance between X and Y is how much? 23 centimeter. Then let us see your book. Question is given. Guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? Now measure it with the help of scale. So did you guess right? Yes. You see, I am taking here X, A and X. H, A and H. And I am measuring this one. See, A dot is here and H dot is here. What is the distance? This is 4.8. What is the distance between A to H? That is the distance between A to H is 4.8 centimeter. You will think any number you take, but I have taken A and H dots. It is your duty, you guess any two dots and you measure it, and how much is there, that you have to write. The next number, another question is given. Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Then which two dots you are thinking? I think it is O and M. These two dots are farthest. So O and M dots are farthest. I am thinking that O to M is farthest. Then now look at the page. You look at your book, page number 14. Look at the book, page number 14. It is given that Akbar drawn a line. What is given? Akbar drawn a line. See, it is the Akbar line. He drawn a line. And he asked to Birbal. What he asked? He asked to Birbal, it make it short without erasing. Then what Birbal told? Birbal drawn a bigger line. It made Birbal line is shorter. It is Birbal's line. Birbal's line. This is Birbal line. This line is longer than Akbar. So Akbar line is shorter. Can you guess? Can you make Birbal's line is shorter? Then I can. Okay. I am here. I am drawing a big line to make Birbal's line shorter. It is my line. It is my line. I am drawing here that line. This is my line. So my line made Birbal's line shorter. Then another question is there. Suppose which two dots are nearest to each other? Which two dots are nearest to each other? Then you see that here D dot and O dot is nearest to this boy and H dot is nearest to this girl. So, see, next. Another question is that what is the length of your family? You discuss it. What is the length of your family? How many members are there in your family? In my family there are 6 members are there. My grandfather, my grandmother, my mother, my father, myself and my one brother. So the length of my family is 6 members. So now there is one girl called Jhumpa. There is one girl called Jhumpa. She read about a tallest person who has 272 centimeter tall. 272. The tallest person is 272 centimeter tall. The tallest person is double of the Jhumpa's height. So what is the Jhumpa's height? Then you find that tallest person height is how much? You know that 272 centimeter. Then Jhumpa's height how much will come? Jhumpa's height half of the tallest person. Then how much you write? 272 centimeter divided by 2. Then 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. 136 centimeter. Then Jhumpa's height is 136 centimeter. Then you will find what is the how many members are there in your family, and who is the tallest person and who is the shortest person, and find the difference between that. Then all the things you have to practice in your notes. I will give some problems and you have to solve it. This much for today, and next class I will teach some more. Thank you.